Meguiars commercial. Let's go.
Get them royalties up.
More truck parts, please.
More truck parts, dude.
Round 2 with Meguiars. You got me mic'd up. We got the boys already in the back. But new products 2026 lineup. This is part 2 of the commercial we shot. This is our makeshift car wash section here. Got some tire shine going. Some quick wax that we were testing on the truck.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Not 4 now.
That's what I was thinking.
Professional wiper.
Professional wiper here.
Okay.
Spray cam.
Yeah. All right.
Should I go wider on my frame, or are you good with that?
You have this one shiny area.
Something like that.
Sweating, you know, the talent out here overworking. Cisco and Mario, we wrapped up.
That's how we
How you
go.
feeling? How you feeling about today's shoot, bro?
I mean, we only did 2 forms of actions, and it took literally the whole entire day. No, I'm kidding. I think
Thanks to Mario, the professional wiper right here.
It went smooth.
Talent was all right. You know?
Talent? What?
But,
Wait, I'm not the talent. The truck is the talent. So you can't blame my truck, bro.
Oh, man. That's how we do.
Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys.
Super dope.
Hell yeah.
Knocked it out of the park for sure. No, honestly, it was badass.
And he only shined one tire. You can see just one.
Yeah,
just
look how
one.
clean and shiny that one is. Oh yeah, half.
You got a little
Half.
half.
Yeah, there we go.
So that's how we do.
Yeah, make sure to hit the like, subscribe,
Hey,
drive safe, fool.
Drive
all
safe,
day.
fool.
All day.
We got them geared up too. Heading back to HQ. Hit it. Down the street, about 20-minute drive, we have the new CCE SSE headquarters. Still in progress. We are doing the beloved OEM to Baja Designs S1 mod. And the kit from SSE is going to go ahead and include the mounts that you need to go ahead and replace the OEM mount, and the adapter. That way you can still use your OEM connector. Looking solid. Shout out to Franklin. Thank you so much, dude, for the install here at CCE. Updated CCE HQ part 2, I think. This is what we got going on. One-stop shop. We got mounting and balancing for your tires, alignment rack, 3 full lifts for your full-size, mid-size installs. Anything you get at SSE and CCE stocked up. Obviously installation. We got the S1s installed. Shout out to Wyatt and Franklin out here. Damn. I'm excited to test these out.